I'm Anacani, your women's wellness and stress management coach. Whether you're juggling a busy lifestyle or stepping into the beautiful world of parenthood, this is your haven for joy, health, and balance. Let's get started.
You having fun? We're going on a bear hunt. Not really. We're just going to some Japanese ruins. Why not? The famous shisha dogs to protect. Still okay, buddy? Oh, you got another one? Cool. Yeah, you did it. Good job. Oh, you got another one? Cool. Okay, run, run, run. And we got rained out. We barely made it.
Are you on the path to a more vibrant and fulfilling life? Then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You have the power to transform your life. Let's start that journey now. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and remember, your journey to a happier, healthier you starts right here. See you in the next video.